And family, this isn't just about making more cars, it's about rewriting the future. This plan is Tesla's declaration that we are stepping into an age of abundance where AI and robotics create overflow and not scarcity. They're showing us a path where machines work, people thrive, and technology becomes the servant, not the master. Let's talk Optimus. Tesla's humanoid robot isn't a side project anymore. The target is 1 million units per year by 2029. Imagine robots handling the repetitive, the dangerous, the exhausting work, while freeing humans to focus on creativity, vision, and purpose. This isn't science fiction. Tesla is already testing Optimus inside their own factories today, proving what's possible when AI steps into the physical world. Then we shift to autonomy. The Robotaxi network is here, already launched in Austin as of June 22, 2025, with plans to roll out to more cities. Think about what that means: hailing a ride with no steering wheel, no pedals, just AI driving you safely from point A to B. That's not just convenience, that's a revolution in how people move, how businesses operate, how cities flow. But Tesla didn't stop there. They unveiled the Cybercab, a sleek two-seat ride built from the ground up to be fully autonomous, aiming for production in 2026 or 2027. And the Robovan, a futuristic van designed to carry entire groups or cargo into a new era of travel and logistics. These vehicles don't just change transportation, they change economies, unlocking lower costs and higher efficiency everywhere they roll out. Behind all this is AI power, Tesla's upcoming AI-5 hardware, built to be 10 times more powerful than today's systems. Backed by a $16.5 billion chip partnership with Samsung, Tesla is making sure their machines have the brains to match the vision. This is the foundation for full self-driving, for Optimus, for autonomy at scale. And they teased us with glimpses, Cybertruck-inspired designs, futuristic concepts that show Tesla is still dreaming beyond what's already in motion. Every move points to one reality. Tesla isn't just building cars, they're building the infrastructure of abundance. This is Master Plan 4, AI, robotics, clean energy, and autonomy converging to create overflow. A world where the limits are shattered, where freedom expands, where the tools we build serve humanity instead of the other way around. The revolution isn't on the way, it's already here, and Tesla is leading it.
Massive. Tesla has just unveiled Master Plan Part 4, so let's watch this short video and then we'll read the full post.
Humans are tool makers, and at Tesla, we are builders of physical products at scale that make life better for all. We have been working tirelessly to create the foundation for a technological renaissance through the development of electric vehicles, energy products, and humanoid robots. This next chapter will be on an even grander scale than we have yet to see. We are building the products and services that bring AI into the physical world. We are combining our manufacturing capabilities with our autonomous prowess to accelerate global prosperity. We are building a safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable world for all. We call this sustainable abundance.
What's the happiest future you can imagine? One which there's sustainable abundance for all.
That's right. Tesla's Master Plan Part 4 in 2 words: sustainable abundance. Imagine my shock. Now, we'll read the full post, a lot more detail in a moment, but
minutes ago, so let's check it out. Since Tesla's founding, each iteration of our master plan has focused on our North Star: to deliver unconstrained sustainability without compromise. Humans are tool makers. At Tesla, we make physical products at scale and at a low cost with the goal of making life better for everyone. As the influence and impact of artificial intelligence technology increases, the mission set forth in Master Plan Part 4 should come as no surprise. This next chapter in Tesla's story will help create a world we've only just begun to imagine, and will do so at a scale that we have yet to see. We are building the products and services that bring AI into the physical world. We have been working tirelessly for nearly 2 decades to create the foundation for this technological renaissance through the development of electric vehicles, energy products, and humanoid robots. Now we are combining our manufacturing capabilities with our autonomous prowess to deliver new products and services that will accelerate global prosperity and human thriving driven by economic growth shared by all. We are unifying our hardware and software at scale, and in doing so we are creating a safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable world. This is sustainable abundance. And here is a history of master plans. There's part 1, electrifying transport in 2006. Part 2 was integrating clean energy generation and storage. And master plan part 3 was accelerating a sustainable energy economy. But Elon said the other day he thought that one was kind of confusing for people and that they needed to do another one, hence why we are getting this one. And here's the graphic attached to master plan part 4, sustainable abundance. And you can see all of the components that are going to contribute to this abundance. So, guiding principles. Growth is infinite. Growth in one area does not require decline in another. Shortages in resources can be remedied by improved technology, greater innovation, and new ideas. The technologies that gave us the ability to power machines led to industrial revolutions that have widened our economic landscape, creating more opportunities for all. Groundbreaking inventions like the semiconductor and the internet have expanded, not diminished, social and economic opportunities across all aspects of the human experience, from creating more jobs to providing greater access to information to enabling deeper interpersonal connections. Our desire to push beyond what is considered achievable will foster the growth needed for truly sustainable abundance. Innovation removes constraints. For centuries, humanity's primary mode of transportation was the horse. Then over the last 50 plus years, cars came with internal combustion engines powered by fossil fuels became the standard and expected transportation method. The idea that batteries could be produced affordably and at a scale large enough to pivot the transportation industry away from fossil fuels seemed a fool's errand until Tesla led the way forward. Through continued innovation, we have overcome the technological constraints of battery development and built an industry powered by renewable resources. Technology solves tangible problems. The products and services born out of the acceleration towards sustainable abundance will advance humanity by solving real-world problems. To further accelerate our innovation, we build each product more efficiently and more sustainably than the last. Solar energy generation and large-scale battery storage are increasing the availability and reliability of clean electricity in our communities, and are doing so more affordably and more sustainably. Autonomous vehicles have the capacity to dramatically improve the affordability, availability, and safety of transportation while reducing pollution, particularly in our increasingly dense global cities. Optimus, our autonomous humanoid robot, is changing not only the perception of labor itself, but its availability and capability. Jobs and tasks that are particularly monotonous or dangerous can now be accomplished by other means. In this way, Optimus's mission is to give people back more time to do what they love. There's Optimus handling some battery cells, and there's the evolution of the Tesla factory from Fremont in 2010 to Shanghai in 2018. Autonomy must benefit all of humanity. The tools we make at Tesla help us build the products that advance human prosperity. How we develop and use autonomy and the new capabilities it makes available to us should be informed by its ability to enhance the human condition. Making daily life better and safer for all people through our autonomous technology has always been and continues to be our focus. Greater access drives greater growth. Making technologically advanced products that are affordable and available at scale is required to build a flourishing and unconstrained society. It serves to further democratize society while raising everyone's quality of life in the process. The hallmark of meritocracy is creating opportunities that enable each person to use their skills to accomplish whatever they imagine. Everyone deserves access to these opportunities, and technological growth can help ensure that each of us is able to maximize our most limited resource, time. We are accelerating the world's transition to sustainable abundance. We must make one thing clear. This challenge will be extremely difficult to overcome. The elimination of scarcity will require tireless and exquisite execution. Some will perceive it as impossible, and plenty of others will laud every obstacle and setback we inevitably encounter along the way. But once we overcome this challenge, our critics will come to see that what they once thought was impossible is indeed possible. And that will be fine with us, because what matters most is that together we create a sustainable and truly abundant future for generations to come. All worthwhile journeys are long, and they all begin with a first step. Our first step was to make an exciting sports car, the Roadster. Then we leveraged those profits to fund the development and production of more affordable yet still exciting products, the Model S and X. Then we repeated the process, bringing us to Model 3 and Model Y and onward. This process required us to take many steps, some of them small and others large, but ultimately each win led to another win, and even with our failures, we were able to keep building momentum. Our momentum allowed us to build out a fully integrated ecosystem of sustainable products, from transport to energy generation, battery storage, and robotics. Today we are on the cusp of a revolutionary period primed for unprecedented growth. And this time it will not be a single step, but a leap forward for Tesla and humanity as a whole. The tools we are going to develop will help us build the kind of world that we've always dreamed of, a world of sustainable abundance, by redefining the fundamental building blocks of labor, mobility, and energy at scale for all. And that's it. So nothing really new.